So we're in Munich, Germany. We're on Rosenheimer Street. So we're basically going to film this one. And you can also see this right here is St. Wolfgang. So right there, there's a beautiful mural. And there's some characters, some German next to it that I can't read. But we're going to just walk down the street and just kind of focus and see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, Rosenheimer. So before I go down it, we're also near Orleans. I can't pronounce any of the words. There's a train right there. The public transportation is really good here. And actually I'm just choosing quite a random street. So there are some really beautiful tourist streets, and this is just kind of a basic one, but you know, there's always something kind of interesting. Munich Pride. Okay. I think I've been seeing a lot of stuff like that in I was just in Thailand as well. So anyways, we're gonna keep on going down. There's a bike lane. I didn't even realize there was a bike lane there until. So usually I'm in Macau, but I'm going to be filming Munich, Germany, and try to give you a few images. Some kind of cool bikes. A lot of people on the bike lane. Okay, so actually there's the streets, there's a schnitzel over there in that brown orange building. Let me just kind of see here. Looks like there's also some little courtyard kind of stuff. This is kind of cool. I saw this stuff before in other parts of Europe too. But you can go in, there's a whole community in here. So you know, you think you just saw only city blocks, but you actually got community as well. There's a massage. It's kind of early in the morning, so I'm just taking advantage of the time that I have here in Munich. It's not a lot of time, and it does give a little bit of taste of it anyways. I'll try to film different stuff later that might be more interesting. Huh, it's like a cabaret show. Where did I see cabaret? Wait up. I saw cabaret somewhere. Oh, there it is. Cabaret con carne. Huh. Oh, there's actually a theater here too. Folsom Prison Band. That looks kind of interesting. Okay. So we got some interesting things here. Let's see what else we got here as well. It's kind of interesting too. It's kind of random, but it does give you kind of a little taste of Munich, Germany though. Just the art scene. I have seen a lot of art scene stuff kind of everywhere. 37, 40, there's numbers on the rocks. Must have some meaning. Actually, you don't really see many people taking photos like in Asia. A lot of people have cameras everywhere, so I'm used to just pulling up my camera too. I'm just one of many. It's a different feeling here in Europe than me walking around the camera. Kupir Bowl. Karakazan. Is that Turkish? Maybe? There's a high Turkish population throughout Germany. I think it's something like 10% or 20%, something like that. 10% Turkish or something like that. Maybe 10% of other pizza and mate. Is that Argentinian? Check out, that's a haircut. So a haircut is 30 euros. Pizza is, don't have a price? Nope. Something called Las Vegas over there. Okay. So here we go, pita rolls. So these are 580 euros. There's a lot of pita kebabs everywhere. I guess this one's Greek. There's the Greek menu, so you got kebab menu and a Greek, yeah, euros, yeah. So that's about twice as much as the kebab. It's nice to have the menus out everywhere. Biryani, so this one has it's like all Indian food. It's about 850 euros. Mango chicken, lamb curry. It's actually better than Macau, the prices for Indian food. And Indochina. Oh, India. Okay. Let me check that out. Kind of a cool building. Las Vegas over there, so it looks like they have cards over there and no windows, so it must be a gambling hall. Okay, so we're still on our Target Street here and keep on walking down. Yeah, these little places right here, they'll drink and eat at nighttime. So actually that's one thing I noticed in the evening. Bosnian traditional food. Wow, I guess that makes sense, it's not too far away. Bosnia. Your film. Heartbeat. Okay. Almost nobody films, so I hardly see. I haven't really been in the tourist area too much, so maybe that's why. Metropole Bar. I should do it more when it's more lively, but to be honest, it's actually not too bad right now because it's if there's more people, it's maybe a little bit harder. You know, when you travel, you can feel how the camera feels, and just the fact that you don't really see anybody taking pictures. Most people here live here. They're not. When I'm in Macau, it's a tourist city. This is a tourist city too, but I just don't see people with cameras taking pictures like I do in Macau. Maybe later I'll see that. Okay, so anyways, I think we'll go a little bit further. Yeah, actually, when the facade here looks like brick and concrete, but then as soon as you go inside, there'll be these little communities, you know. Of course, you have to live there to go in there, but Erotics adult store, that's huge. That's one huge store. Okay. Bike lane. Oh. Cool artwork. Oh, it's a tattoo shop. Cool. Okay. Wow. CDs. I haven't seen CDs in a long time. This is actually a music secondhand CD store. Wow. 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 Man. I used to live in, when I was younger, I used to live in Portland and Minneapolis back in the 1990s. They were really cool cities, and they had a lot of used CDs, and I thought they were obsolete. I haven't seen them in like, in Thailand, I went there for some in the 90s too. And that also had a lot, this is Indian food right here. So they also had a lot of CDs. But they're just kind of obsolete, you just don't really see them anymore at all, anywhere. Let's see. I'm gonna keep on filming. And then way down there, there's a, looks like a pretzel stand way down there. Yeah, I think that lady was really staring at the camera, like wondering what I was doing. I don't think people really YouTube or film. So her reaction was kind of strange. So I don't know if I'll film too much. Maybe in the tourist area. But anyways, you are getting a little bit of feel. Dumpling house, wow. So Chinese right here. Oh, that's what we get in Macau. I eat that all the time in Macau. prices are actually pretty good. Some are expensive. So we're gonna keep on walking. Yeah, you know, I was reading a book. It's in my hand right now. This book. And one of the things I was talking about was Europe is really tight about security. So I think with a camera, it's like, you don't, anyways. We're gonna come up to an end here in a minute. So I'm just gonna come to this four corners and then we're gonna conclude. Huh. Actually some kind of cool stuff around here. Check that out. Yeah, the way she was looking in the camera was kind of strange to me. So let me just kind of see here. Got some fruits. Okay. So this is called Weissenberger Street. We're gonna come to an end in a minute. Okay, so we basically walked all the way to Rosenheimer Platz. And we're just gonna come up to the corner here. You can also see, I think there's a train line somewhere. Okay. I think people don't really YouTube here, so it's kind of strange. So that's our target street right there, Rosenheimer Street. And we'll just kind of glance down it real quick. And this is the four corners that we're at.